In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix the try searching to get started error on YouTube. This issue often arises after you've cleared all your browsing history on the platform. To demonstrate the solution, I'll first clear my own YouTube history. Start by clicking on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the settings by clicking on the J icon. Next, select Manage All History and proceed to delete all your history by choosing the Delete All Time option and confirming the deletion. After this, click on Got It to finalize the process. Now, when you return to your YouTube homepage and refresh the page, you'll see the Try Searching to Get Started message. To fix this, you need to watch a few videos. YouTube recommends content based on your viewing history, so simply search for and watch several videos. After watching a few, refresh your homepage again. You will notice that YouTube begins to recommend videos to you based on your new viewing activity. This process is simple and straightforward, helping YouTube to recalibrate its recommendations for you. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials.